This is the most advanced miniature robot dog, which is called Petoi-Bittle, designed and manufactured by Petoi. When I tried to test it, it was a kind of attention-grabbing robot. It is also a strongest robot ever. Let's do the unboxing and assembly work as quickly as possible. Cabinet quality is quite impressive and all the parts are made of high quality material. When I saw the servos, I was just impressed because they provided full metal servos. I think this is worth of money. For the wiring connection and assembling details, I visited beetle.petoi.com. Here are 3 modules for controlling and programming the Beetle: the USB adapter, Bluetooth adapter, and the Wi-Fi adapter. For the primary programming, you can check the description. Install the battery and turn on the Beetle by long pressing the battery button. Doing the calibration, just download and open the Petoi app, connect the Bluetooth and select the first time calibration. Then install all the legs according to this. You can calibrate the servos by selecting the joints. What an awesome app to calibration. It just stole my heart. Save all the calibration settings and now we are ready to test the robot.